All right, we got this new iPad for a customer. I'm going to transfer the data from his old iPad to the new one. Let's open this bad boy up. We got an A16 11th gen here, or what would have been the 11th gen. Bad boy comes with a braided USB-C and a 25 or a 20 watt. We're not doing stickers anymore, are we? Nope. Okay, got iOS 26 on this bad boy already. We will go ahead and start setting her up here. And we're going to set up with another iPad. So that's when you move over here to the new one, or the old one. And you put these two together. Okay, at this point, you take your old one and you go over here and you put that within the circle. And you wait for the new one to pick up the old one. Pretty basic process. And we got basically the exact same iPad as the 10th gen, basically. Just with an A16. And just like that, and she'll start to swap everything over. There's really nothing else to it. And this process goes for the iPhones too. If you get a new iPhone, you can just swap it over real simple. You just go through the beginning setup of the device, and where it says to set up with a new device or set up without a device, you go over to your iPhone and basically gives you the same message as the old iPad here did. And that's it. Just like that, she's doing the transfer. All right, now that we're done here, she's going to reboot, and everything will be cloned. Basically just cloning this iPad to this iPad. Okay, and just like that, the transfer is complete. And just like that, this iPad is turned into this iPad now. So we went from a 6th gen iPad to the 11th gen. Big upgrade for them. They're going to enjoy that. And then this one, it's going to prompt you. You have a few options. You can leave this one the way it is, and then you'll basically have 2 iPads that are the same. Or you can erase this iPad, which is what we will do. So we're not being... oh. Do we have the information for the for that? Let's see. Yes, we do. Correctly this time. And then this one is just going to erase and be set back to factory defaults. And that's it.